In today's global marketplace, great products need to get built faster than ever. SOLIDWORKS 2018 introduces enhancements to help you deliver assembly designs in record time and with less effort. When creating a linear pattern of components, you now have the ability to add an optional rotation. After choosing the number of instances, you can simply select a rotation reference and specify the incremental angle. This speeds up the creation of all kinds of innovative designs and removes the needs for additional features. Adding mates between hidden surfaces can be challenging. SOLIDWORKS 2018 speeds up the process by allowing you to temporarily hide surfaces whilst in the mate command. By pressing the Alt key, you can now select the hidden faces and get your parts in place fast. When working with components of different units or even imported parts, it is common for this scenario, where the pins of the burner and the holes of the body do not exactly match. Previously, it would not be possible to add this second concentric mate. Now, in SOLIDWORKS 2018, you can create misaligned mates. This allows two concentric mates to be solved correctly by maintaining the concentricity of either mate or by shifting the components symmetrically between the two. SOLIDWORKS accurately displays the result, giving you instant feedback. The Feature Manager displays useful information about the misalignment. The deviation of each mate from concentricity is shown, and you can set the maximum allowable deviation. This value can also be controlled by a document property. Misaligned mates show clearly in the Mates folder, and, for additional control, the ability to create these misaligned mates can be disabled via this system option. This new capability removes the need to make small changes to legacy components that may be used in many assemblies. Creating exploded views is a great way to understand and communicate your designs in SOLIDWORKS. Now with SOLIDWORKS 2018 you can now quickly and easily create automatic explode lines using the Smart Explode Line tool. SOLIDWORKS automatically gathers up all the components in the explode view and previews each explode line. The explode line for each component defaults to the bounding box, but you can easily choose the origin or even drag to any other point. SOLIDWORKS also allows you to apply this to every other identical instance, saving a load of time and effort. As you would expect, modifying the exploded view updates the explode lines instantly, keeping everything accurate and up to date. These are just some of the enhancements in SOLIDWORKS 2018 that improve your day-to-day productivity to get your products built faster.